Hi, this is Matthew Studio Equipment. I'm Ed Phillips. This is the Vator family. We call them the twos: Super 2, Boy 2, and Crank-O-Vator 2. And today I want to show you how they work. You know, it was nearly 25 years ago that Matthews innovated the Crank-O-Vator and then the Super Crank. In Vator years, that's almost 100 years old. Over those 25 years, we learned what works and what doesn't. For example, the loading height. That was requested by the user population. Admittedly, the original Super Crank was difficult to load. The new one is 6 inches lower. Super 2 incorporates a brand new main body casting and a new transmission design. The entire stand only has 9 moving parts and 3 of them are wheels. Within the transmission, there's an adjustment, which is set at the factory for 130 pounds. It shouldn't require much maintenance at all, but it is an easy adjustment should it be necessary. Notice the press to release is now flush. Check this out. Without depressing anything, to lock, pull back, it's locked. An additional safety feature is the handle. Locked. You want to bring it down? It doesn't require any weight, doesn't take a light. You can run it up, run it down all day long, but you must depress the safety. Next, let's talk about the integrity of the stand. It still weighs in at only 125 pounds. Look at the wheels. Look at the assembly for that wheel. It's massive because this was a problem in the past. No longer is that a problem. Everything has been beefed up dramatically. These shafts have been improved. This casting assembly is bulletproof. And the stand now comes with what we call big boy brakes. By the way, these wheels are available on the Crank-O-Vator and the Boy. They're easily interchanged, so you have options. A couple of other design features worth mentioning. No rotation in the top riser. No rotation in the second riser. It's only a 2-riser stand. Sometimes less is more. Large 10-inch by 3.5-inch semi-pneumatic wheels for mobility, and easy locking big boy brakes to ensure secure positioning. Okay, I admit it, 220 pounds, but he loves it. He'll take any operator's weight. And to fold him, you just simply release the one triangulated brace. You'll notice there is just one, not 2. Done. As you know, Super Cranks folded 2 different ways. Let's talk about structural integrity of this component in here. This too was a problem in the past. It's all re-engineered. It's big, it's solid, it's the right materials. Let's fold it now for a truckload. You'll see we have the smallest package available. Take the wheel, spin them in. Repeat that 2 more times. Lift the pin, pull the leg in. Do the same with the other leg. You'll notice they click in, they lock. And now we've got the truckload. Notice this wheel tucks up underneath the base of the stand so that we can now easily move the stand in and out of our truck. Okay, and there's a third way of folding the stand. It's a more elegant way, if there's such a thing as elegance in grip and lining equipment. You start by folding each of the wheels inward, lock them off, then fold the stand. Lock the stand in the upright position, come around, swing the leg, swing the second leg, and you're ready for the truckload. Piece of cake. Okay, we looked at the Super Crank. This is the Crank-O-Vator. A lot of the same features and benefits. The fold-away handle, same main body casting, transmission, riser sections, all the same features. Doesn't rotate, won't rotate. The only real difference between the Crank-O-Vator and the Super Crank is the leg configuration. Crank-O-Vator 2 is available in 2 different models. The 6.5-inch caster or with a big boy wheel and brake. Should you ever want to interchange the 2, it's as simple as removing the bolt. Drop out the caster, replace it with a big boy, and vice versa. Folding Crank-O-Vator II is not much different than the original, with the exception of the handle. Store the handle, bring the stand up. That's it. This is our youngest member of the family. This is the low boy Crank-O-Vator. Actually, he's been around for a long time. He's got all the same features and benefits as the Crank-O-Vator II and the Super Crank II. He's available with the big boy wheels and brakes, large legs, or as a standard with the smaller leg configuration and the 6.5-inch caster. Remember, all the parts for the Super Crank, the low boy, the Crank-O-Vator, they're all the same. The internal parts are the same. Maintenance on this product is minimal. I thank you very much for your attention. It's a great family of product. Try it. You'll love it. I guarantee it. I tell you, I feel like Lester Bogan. I can't do that, can I?
That's great.
Hey, this is Matthew's studio equipment, and I'm wearing my glasses. Take 5. And in Vator years, that means he's almost 100. He's endured a lot of... Is that okay?
Good.
All right. Main body casting. And an... Keep... Come on, lips.
Rolling. Frame, go.
Notice the push to...
Okay, you're rolling. Anytime.
You'll notice that wheel. That wheel. One more. Bring the handle out of the way. Bring it up. If you could get it up, but you can't because the handle's in the way. So we're going to do this again. Why don't you get a decent camera? You know? I'll be in my dressing room.
That's great.